Hi guys, today we're going to continue with present perfect, but we're going to focus specifically on just, already, and yet. So when do we use just, already, and yet? Well, let's start with just. Just indicates an action that was completed recently, meaning a short time ago, or in the last few minutes, hours, days, that something has finished. Let me repeat, that it has completed recently, a few minutes ago, a few hours ago. Already is used to express an action that has been completed before an expected time, meaning that the action has finished in the time that you thought it was going to happen. And 3, yet. Yet is used in negative and interrogative questions, expressions, and the expected action has not happened. Yes, has not finished. So let's give you a couple of examples. I have just finished my lunch, meaning I have started in the past to eat my lunch, and just in the last few minutes, the last few seconds, I have finished. Be very careful here, yes, when you use just, because just goes between the auxiliary verb have and the past participle. So you can see have, just, and finished. Always just goes between the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Already is used to express an action that has been completed. And the most important thing here is before an expected time. For example, she has already finished her homework. What has she done? Well, she's finished her homework. Yes? Before the allotted time. Meaning she's finished it before the time has finished. And again, be careful here that the already is used between has or have, which is the auxiliary verb, and the past participle, which is the main verb. Yet, on the other hand, is used in negative and interrogative expressions and is always at the end of the sentence. For example, she hasn't finished her homework yet. Hasn't is the negative, so you can use yet. And you use it in the negative and interrogative expressions, but also, and the expected action has not happened. Not happened. That's the key there, yes? It should have happened, but it hasn't happened. So that's why it's slightly negative. And also, you can use the interrogative because you don't know. You don't know whether it's finished or not. Okay. So today we've been just a review. We've gone just, already, and yet. Just is like in the last few seconds, in the last few minutes, something has finished or something has come to an end. Already is when it has finished before the expected time, and yet is used for negatives and interrogatives and is always at the end of the sentence. Okay? So there's another quick and short video for you. If you have any questions, then put a comment down below, and if not, I will see you in the next class. Thank you very much, and speak soon.